close till I get our belly on our side.
Hello friends, today I am going to do unboxing for GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and this is recently launched from GoPro and it has an advanced features which I am going to do in my further videos, and I am going to compare video clarity, photo clarity between SJCam and GoPro. Please stay tuned, hit like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Let's do unboxing. Wow. Received Amazon Pay gift card. It's very good. Here we go. So I have a shorty mini extension pole plus tripod, and behind it it's GoPro Hero 7. So let me remove this, and we could see 1 year warranty card, extended warranty card it is. So overall it gets 2 years warranty. I'm so excited. Here we go. GoPro Hero 7 Black with 12 megapixel 4K 60 frames per second and 33 feet 10 meters dive into the water and live streaming with Facebook. It got 12 megapixel, as we could see, like 1080p with 240 frames per second. Voice control, 8x slow zoom, touchscreen, GPS, HDR. Hypersmooth is the latest technology which is added to this GoPro Hero 7. Live streaming will work only with Facebook, and as for the GoPros, they are going to integrate with YouTube in going further. Not sure for now. Okay, we got 1 year extended warranty card. Okay, let's see later. So these are the things which we get inside the box. Okay, let me open shorty first and see what is there inside. The MRP it shows as 3900, which I got it for free with this Hero 7. So this is the shorty which we can use it with GoPro as an extender plus as a tripod. Yes, this can act as a tripod as well as an extender. Yeah, pretty nice. Let me keep it aside for now.
What do we get with this? Nothing. Okay, now let me do unboxing for our Hero 7 Black.
You can see it's a Hypersmooth gimbal-like stabilization. You got 1 year extended warranty, and this is, let's Let the adventure begin. Save big, earn rewards. Belong to the travel tribe. GoPro passport program. Okay, anyways.
Let's keep aside and open this. How do I open it? Yeah, stupid. Open it.
Yes. First look is really amazing, guys. This is GoPro Hero 7 Black. Okay, let's see what's there inside. Battery, mount, curved mount, and USB charger, and it's a type C USB charger.
That's it. Okay, open this.
We have some manual paperwork, GoPro sticker, and how to use it.
Anything inside?
So these are the things what we get inside the box. GoPro Hero 7, USB type C cable, 2 mounts, battery, paperwork, GoPro stickers, how to connect. That's it, guys. These are the items which we get inside the box, and this I got it for free. GoPro Shorty, which I got it for free. It was available in Amazon in India.
Through the wastelands, till my shadow turns to sand.